To keep your i-mop in top condition and ensure the best cleaning results, there is some maintenance you should do. In this video, we are going to show you the monthly maintenance step by step. First, turn off your i-mop and put it in storage position. Then, take off the batteries and put them on the official charger. Make sure to fully recharge the batteries at least once a month to keep them in good condition. Then, it's time for the tanks. Make sure you first remove the empty i-dose cup. After that, take off the clean water tank and empty it. Screw off the filter at the bottom. Clean the filter under running water and make sure it isn't blocked. Here you can see what a blocked filter and a clear filter looks like. When it's clean, put it back in the solution tank. This is also the perfect time to refill the i-dose storage on the clean water tank. You can do this by simply pushing the i-dose cups into place. Make sure you don't put the tank down on the filter as this can damage it. Always put the tank down like this. Then, take off the dirty water tank and take out the floating ball system. Rinse it with clean water. Then empty the dirty water tank and add fresh water to it. Shake it gently and clean it with the provided brush. Then, empty it again. Put back the floating ball system. Behind the dirty water tank is the deflector. You should take it out and look in the deflector opening for any blockage. Then clean the opening with a damp cloth. Also, clean the deflector with water. When clean, put back the deflector. Then, it's time to clean the squeegee. Take it off with equal force so you don't damage the metal pins. And detach it from the dirty water hose. Clean the blade and suction opening with running water. Now, you are able to check the squeegee for any damages. In this first example, you see that the squeegee blades are worn out, not straight and simply broken. These cannot be used anymore and should be replaced for an optimal cleaning result. In the next example, you can see that the wheels are completely worn out. This will mean that the squeegee blade won't be placed on the ground properly. The state of the wheel can be checked by this indication line. If the wheel goes over this line, it should be replaced. And lastly, you can see the wheels are completely clogged with hair and debris. If this is the case, the wheels should be cleaned. To replace the squeegee blades, you'll first have to take the old ones out. You can do this in a few easy steps. Rotate these yellow knobs so they align with the opening. Then you can detach the squeegee blade by pulling it out, like this. You can now easily remove the old blade by pulling it off the blade holder. Do the same for the other side. Then clean both parts of the blade holder. To properly attach the new squeegee blades, make sure you place the squeegee blade at the right side of the blade holder. Make sure the blade with the pointy sides is placed on the outside, and the blade with the U-shaped cutouts or the arrows pointing down is placed on the inside of the blade holder. You can then attach the new squeegee blades by pushing the cutouts into the blade holder. You can then push the blades back into the squeegee and turn the knobs to lock them in place. The brushes are next. Take them off by rotating the right one to the right and the left one to the left like this. Then clean them with running water. Also, notice this yellow brush indicator. When the brushes go over this indication line, it is time to replace the brush. It's important to keep the dirty water hose clean and in good condition. To clean the dirty water hose, you will have to take it out. First, detach the hose at the top by rotating it like this. Then remove the yellow cap by rotating it to the right. Now lower the scrub deck and pull the hose through the opening. Now pull the i-mop backwards a bit and pull the hose out of the i-mop. Clean the hose by letting fresh water run through it. When done cleaning the hose, it's time to put it back. Put the hose through this hole, then lower the scrub deck so you can pull it through further. Then put the hose through this hole in the scrub deck and attach the hose at the top of the i-mop. Now, lift up the scrub deck and pull the hose through. And lastly, put back the yellow cap by rotating it to the left. Then take off the splash guards. You can do this by pulling them downwards. You can now clean them under running water. When clean, put them back by placing them like this and push upwards to lock them into place. And put the dirty water tank and solution tank back on the i-mop. Remember to leave off the caps so the tanks can ventilate. Then take a damp cloth with only water and clean the scrub deck. Take extra care in cleaning these water nozzles, as this enables the i-mop to give water. Also clean the rest of the scrub deck. When all clean, put back the brushes by rotating the right one to the left and the left one to the right. Then the squeegee. First, connect the dirty water hose to the squeegee. Then put the squeegee back into place. Again, with the same force on each side so you don't damage the metal pins. Do these steps monthly, and your i-mop will always give you the best cleaning results. If you need more information or want to submit a service request, please scan this QR code